2 days after the shooting incident in Uttar Pradesh's Balia, the main accused, who is a BJP worker, is still on the run. The accused, Dhirendra Pratap Singh, broke his silence and claimed that he did not shoot the man at Balia after a scuffle over the allotment of ration shops. In a video that he's released from an undisclosed location, the accused claims that he had already apprised the local officials of the tense situation in the area. He's also accused the local sub-district magistrate and the block development officer of influence in the allotment process. 7 people have been arrested so far in this case. 10 cops have also been suspended after allegedly letting off the main accused. These include the cops who were caught on camera actually surrounding the accused. Special teams of police are currently on the lookout for the main accused. So far, they've had no leads, no success in tracking him down. The superintendent of police of the Balia district has announced a 25,000 rupees reward for any information being given about the accused.
इन लोगों का मंशा था कि मुझे पीट करके यहीं पे मार दिया जाए और शासन प्रशासन के लोग खुद एसडीएम साहब और क्षेत्राधिकारी महोदय मेरे घर पे आते हैं और तुरंत लाठीचार्ज करवा के औरतों पे लाठी बरसाते हैं, बच्चों पे लाठी बरसाते हैं। जो भी गाड़ियां थी, जेसीबी थी, वो सब तोड़ दिए, उठा के भी लेके चले गए। टीवी, फ्रिज, कूलर जो भी था, अलमारी वगैरह सब कुछ तोड़ दिया। ये बताइए शासन प्रशासन का क्या मंशा है? मैं तो ये नहीं समझ रहा हूँ। केवल पैसे पे काम किया जा रहा है। मैं ये नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैंने तो देखा नहीं, लेकिन बिल्कुल पैसा लिया है। और चूंकि एसडीएम हमारे सुरेंद्र पाल जी हैं, इसलिए जो मृतक बता रहे हैं कि मृतक उधर से हुआ है, वो भी पाल है। इसलिए इन्होंने भाईबंदी करके और प्रधान से मिली भगत। मैं तो कोई कह रहा है कि आत्मसम्मान में, मैं मानता हूं कि आत्मसम्मान में, लेकिन मैं तो ये नहीं जानता किसने गोली चलाई, किसकी गोली से वो मरे हैं। लेकिन अगर मेरे माता पिता को, भाई बहन को, जो भी परिवार के सदस्य को मारा जाएगा, तो मेरे पास चाहे जो भी रहेगा, मैं तो उससे मारने की कोशिश करूंगा। लेकिन उस समय मेरे परिवार के पास कुछ नहीं था, क्योंकि हम लोग झगड़ा झंझट करने के मूड में नहीं थे।
And let me take this across to Abhishek Mishra, who's getting us all the latest updates from Balia in Uttar Pradesh. Abhishek, good morning. A lot of questions being asked of the Uttar Pradesh police. One, because they not just let off the main accused, they right now have no leads about where he is. He's releasing videos claiming innocence, and yet the police are still groping in the dark for any leads.
Well, absolutely, Akshata. In this whole case now, we can say that as of now, police officials have nothing in hand other than the FIR, other than the 7 already arrested people. And yes, they are claiming that yesterday they claimed that within 24 hours, he will be behind the bars. But so far, morning 8 a.m. right now, there is no development. We have seen the video how the accused is claiming that whatever he does, he did only for his self-defense, and he's now making allegations on the local administration, the kind of management they did against him. They plotted intentionally, and he's saying he did not fire. So certainly it's going to be a very, it's going to be very important today that what police would say, because the time is rushing now, and on the other side, the family is demanding for his arrest. Also, in the village, people are a bit scared. They are not openly coming up. They are not talking much about this incident. So clearly shows that there is something beyond which the local administration is hiding. And as far as this whole case and arrest is concerned, yesterday when the disease was, he was cremated, the family is now demanding that whatever we have to do, we have already done it. But what left is the arrest of the main accused, which is still has been done. Yes.
And there are questions over that. Is this man, the main accused, someone who's influential, someone who's getting protection? Yes, he's a BJP worker. Is it because of his political links that right now he is not being nabbed, that he was let off in the first place? Those are some questions the administration will have to answer. Abhishek, thank you for joining us with all the details on that story.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.